Hey guys, welcome to the Rusty Beauties. Here we are dedicated to the restoration and the repair of the iconic British triumphs. What began as a personal channel where I was documenting the frame of restoration of my first project, a 1966 Spitfire, has slowly turned into a resource for information for Triumph enthusiasts from many countries. As I gained more experience and became increasingly familiar with these classic cars, additional Triumphs, which I started referring to as my Rusty Beauties, joined the fray, and now the channel features dozens of documented projects like Spitfires, GT6, TR3, TR4, TR6, TR250, and there are hundreds of videos between those projects. The British cars of the 50s, 60s and 70s shared many parts and were constructed using very similar methods. The knowledge and the techniques shared on the Rusty Beauties channel are often applicable not only to Triumph but also to a wide range of other classic British cars. Many members of our community who own MGs, Minis, TVRs, Jaguars and other British marques are finding the information on this channel equally useful for their own restorations and repair projects. Whether you're working on a Triumph or another beloved British car, Rusty Beauties offers insights that can help bring these timeless vehicles back to their former glory. To make navigating this series easier, the playlist tab takes you to the library of videos organized by a project. This allows you to follow the work done on a specific project from start to finish, but additionally the search button enables you to search inside the channel and find the videos by keyword, ensuring that the information you need is always at your fingertips. Over the years, Rusty Beauties has earned a reputation as a valuable library of instructional videos for solving various problems and undertaking complete rebuilds. The content is detailing not only my successful repairs but also my failures. The channel became an educational space where viewers can learn from my mistakes as well as my triumphs. By sharing both the highs and the lows of the restoration process, I hope to provide a realistic and encouraging perspective for fellow enthusiasts. One of my goals with Rusty Beauties is to encourage those who may feel a little bit insecure and unsure about their ability to repair their own car or to fully restore a Triumph. Through my videos, I'm trying to demystify the process and show that with patience and the right guidance, anyone can undertake those projects. There is nothing more rewarding than receiving messages from viewers who have successfully fixed their own cars or even taken new restoration projects because of the confidence they gained from watching my videos. Bringing another Triumph back on the road is a triumph we share together. I want to thank everyone for joining and being a member of the Rusty Beauties community. Your support and engagement have made this journey incredibly rewarding. Whether you're a seasoned restorer, a novice enthusiast, or an expert, there's a place for you here. Together, we can keep the spirit of Triumph alive and thriving. Subscribe to Rusty Beauties today and embark on a journey of a restoration, learning, and passion for classic Triumph cars. My name is Elin, and let's get crackle up. Ha ha ha!